The Google Pixel 7 keeps leaking no matter what. After being exposed in every way you can imagine, it goes beyond expectations. The launch date is drawing near, but the leaks are not slowing down. If you were not satisfied with leaked marketing materials or the new orange color, it's time to check out an unboxing. Yeah, the Pixel 7 has just been unboxed. As per leaks, someone has posted the phone for sale, leaking the phone and its retail package in the process. To recall, in March, an entity listed a brand new, unused Google Pixel 7 for sale on Facebook Marketplace. The seller's location was unknown, but there was a phone number for discussions via WhatsApp. Today, the pictures in the listing revealed the phone in its bright blue color with a silver camera visor. Another listing from the same seller also reveals the phone in a black variant. The device is very similar to the Pixel 7, however, there is a missing mic hole next to the camera flash. Also, it seems to be smaller than the Pixel 7. Apart from that, the Pixel 7 falls perfectly as the budget Pixel 7 series phone you have been expecting. As per the reports, the phone's blue color will be dubbed Sky and will replace the Pixel 6 Sage color. The chalk white and charcoal black colors will remain. Even Blast leaked a render for a spicy coral or orange color. Most of the colors will also apply to the upcoming Pixel Buds. If you've been an old-school follower of Pixel hardware, you know how Google is bad at holding these devices a secret. While the Pixel smartphones have been leaking wildly since the first generation. The Pixel 3 XL with its eyebrow notch appeared several months before its unveiling. Last year, the Pixel Watch was forgotten at a bar. We've been seeing leaks for the Pixel Fold since 2020, and now there are leaks even for the Pixel 8 series. Therefore, it's not a surprise to see the Pixel 7 leaking. To be honest, I expect even more for the next few days. Thanks to the leaks, we already know it has a 90Hz display. Further, it brings a 64-megapixels main camera. The phone also has wireless charging. Google is yet to officially confirm, but we expect the Pixel 7 to land on May 10 during the Google I/O. Besides the new handset, we also expect the launch of the Pixel tablet and the long-anticipated Pixel Fold. So how do you like this new unboxing experience of upcoming Pixel device? Let us know your valuable opinion below in the comments section. And if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.